Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha states, in the year of the farewell pilgrimage, we set off along with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I put on a special garb for Umrah, but I had not brought any sacrificial animal. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, whosoever has got a sacrificial animal should wear special garb for Hajj and Umrah combined, and should not take off the ihram until he performs both Hajj and Umrah. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha said, I then started menstruating. On the night of Arafah, I submitted to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I put on ihram for Umrah. How should I perform Hajj now? Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, untie the hair of your head, comb your hair, forsake the rites of Umrah, and wear the ihram for Hajj. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha states, when I had performed the Hajj, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam issued orders for Hazrat Abdul Rahman bin Abi Bakr radiyallahu anhu. So he took me along with him and got me to perform Umrah from Tan'im. It was in lieu of the Umrah whose rituals I left. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 2904.